Esther chapter 1. So now, you did have one king named Xerxes. Him did a king for 127 region, from India all the way to Ethiopia. Him sit down upon the throne where they in the army base in Susa, the capital city. When King Xerxes did a rule for 3 years, him keep one big Niamins for all him top official them. And him invite the army general from Persia and Media and the high class people and the top official them from every region where him rule. Him keep the Niamins for 6 months straight and him show off all him treasure them and boast about how him well rich and powerful. After the 6 months them done, him keep one big Niamins for all the people them where did they in the army base of Susa. Everybody could have go. The big man them and the little man them too. The Niamins last for 7 days in the king palace garden. The garden did well pretty. It did have white and blue drape fastened with purple linen cord where run through some silver ring. The silver ring them did fasten past some column where make out a marble stone. The couch them where make out a gold and silver did dip on one pretty walkway. The walkway did make out a whole heap of cut stone. Stone like red stone, marble stone, some other deer stone and some pretty shell. Them give the people them drinks in a all sort of gold cup. Them did have enough wine cause King Xerxes did well rich. And the people them could have drink any amount of wine them want cause the king did order the waiter them say them fi make sure say nobody cup no go empty. Same time, Queen Vashti did a keep one big Niamins for the woman them in a King Xerxes palace. On day 7 of the Niamins, when the king did tipsy and feel nice, him call for the 7 eunuch them we walk in him quarters. Them did name Memuman, Bista, Arbona, Bicta, Abacta, Zetar, and Kiakas. Him order them fi bring Queen Vashti come with her crown upon her head so him could show her off for the people them and the top official them see her. True, she did pretty so till she couldn't pretty no more. But the queen make up her mind say she not gonna away when them come tell her what the king say. When the king hear this, him begs till him blood start boil. So the king talk with the wise man them when know the way things fi run in a them time them. And the normal thing that for the king talk to all the man them when know the law and know how to judge people. The wise man them did name Kashina, Shetar, Admata, Tarshish, Merez, Marcina, and Memucan. The 7 top official were rule Persia and Media. Them did always they round the king and did the high up in the kingdom. King Xerxes asked them say, as according to the law, what we fi do with Queen Vashti? Me send the eunuch them fi call her and she no come. And Memucan answer the king and the top official them say, I no uncle the king will Vashti disrespect, but all the top official them too, and all the people them in the region them where King Xerxes rule over. Cause now, all of the woman them are gonna know about how the queen did go on. Then them are gonna face to themselves with them own husband and say, King Xerxes order Queen Vashti to come to him and she never go. You see today there, yeah? The official them wife from Media and Persia will hear about how the queen go on. I go talk to them husband the said way. I bear disrespect and war I go in a them house. If it alright with you, my king, give the order and make it one law for Persia and Media so nobody can change it. Make the law say that Vashti no fi ever come in front of the king again. And make one next woman we better than her take our place. So when people all over that big kingdom here hear about the law where the king make about Vashti, all of the women them will respect them husband them from the least to the greatest. The king and him official them did like how that sound. So the king do what me can say. Him send out letter to all of the region them in a them own writing and them own language. We say every man for run things in a them own yard.